Okay, let's talk about driver safety challenges that are unique to multi-temp operations. We all want to protect our drivers. They're hard to find, they're hard to replace. You don't want them to get hurt. They're your best friend out there on the highway, protecting your equipment and your product and taking care of your customers. We've got several things that can pose hazards to these drivers in a multi-temp operation that they don't on a single temp. Typically, you run into non-commercial areas. You're not going into a big parking lot where there's plenty of room to swing a trailer around. You've got tight spaces. You've got mom and the minivan and the kids running in behind your trailer when you're trying to back up. There's all kinds of problems here. The second thing is your driver doesn't just back up to a dock and let the forklift unload him. He's in and out of the trailer. He's climbing. He's holding on. It's raining. It's snowing. There's traffic going by. He needs good footing, good handholds, good visibility. There's plenty of features that we can build into these trailers that are going to help your driver survive these environments. Automatic safety warning lights on liftgate platforms, knurled platforms inside and outside the trailers, 3-point contact grab handles, anything we can do to increase his visibility of the product and the public's visibility of your driver. Please talk to your trailer salesman about these. These are critical issues when you're designing your trailer.